Utie oha extra punk no. Needs FM.
I'm just thinking the next 4 years, I could talk about to be court, I could challenge a case. I'm just thinking about it.
Sir.
Oh, I'm just thinking. It's so sad for this country.
You can't say no with me and Yemif.
Yes. I'm sad. Because people will not take law into their hands. Yeah, a do tempi or Ghana.
Me say where he here, meba. My friends look at Grangus. Me show Dimi and Anna say, honorable you pay. And can now I am Rachel Bedweni, I use one about to Pesuaso. Honorable to say,
You madam Boko, me and I want to ring.
Yamiado Boko, the man command their chain.
Amen.
Their chain. They be a coye.
Now, okay, I fear, yeah, CI 99.
CI 99, yeah. I CI 99, I think it was 2015, 2015. Yeah.
Now, what can I say? Baby,
that's happening now. Oh, I'm not sure about you.
Now, what can I say? Oh, baby, say, Obofu, Hunter.
Hunter.
Kai say, Oberry or Chitia, and go show who need. Saben what you ask.
Okay.
Now, when you say Bible, Monso, Obi, Echo Posse. Yen saying will be in Kumuno. One will say, upon a cowboy, no. The upon us, and a question. So, can't have a question.
Make pa.
We are so no. Oh, ye be a ben and then no will be sad. What to be our woman says, son, about come out then. Now, Nipper begin to say, well, yes, CI 99. The election petition bar, a best I know power. Not what the account opposition, no, Ashe, 18 Timino come. And I see CI 99 no. And then I dying. Cause the judge is not the army. Law CI 99 channel. And then what do you man?
Okay.
It is a no could not pound baby. No shia. Ya program of parliament. And what do you?
My name say Madi is Suagunemudia, but Mamma Cono. Madi.
You're a ball.
And then ruling now. I say. Even Yane with Deputy Director Legal Affairs, because I to say, one disappointed, but one mumui say one better as MDN. So,
in fact,
the APN, no,
or bizarre question be one casa, you accept a say, and because of bizarre say, result fire now, boy, you know.
Yeah.
When the baby are not say correct, when the baby are no, want me a no.
Oh, set results there, easy.
Want me and you are no. As of now, that is what we are holding. That is why we are holding. Maybe before I get there, maybe now we interview the friend say lawyer Morris Ampa.
Yeah.
One my examples be. I think say we need to be fair. Police chill. I want to back will say, assembly or bekano. You have the right to stay silent. Yes, sir. The overture be no. Eko court ah. Yeah. But court we are. If you don't have that right, say me nkasebio.
Oh.
Hebio.
Yes.
I say okronfo. My example say okronfo. Okronfo to be in court. I guess me answer should be nobody.
You obey to my decide. Yeah. Because
Jane Mensa. At the time, like I say, why elections are anywhere we are no. She responded. Because court American wants them. She responded.
Yeah.
So when you are giving that example in the Kronfa one cash, then you are not even saving the people. She responded. So she will come and defend it. In fact, when the issue going to court, but even document it be to get the facts to make things easier. The lawyers and everybody, like Jessica say, we were going to back some natural because me na me electoral commission. Oh, and then you are saying this, she is smart and pay one kasa. Unim. The minute on the phone, you know, kasa, I don't have problem. Tomorrow, if I choose to be, and I say I'm a electoral commissioner, I'm not a electoral commissioner. Then go to court. No, because say me kasa. what will you do?
Just the case as it is.
You see?
Understand of the case.
Because one kasa sadia opponent no na anase nipa or this case in the call you know. Ono no a presenting the case here. Ono no kra no ebekọ to ono no advantage.
That's true. Don't worry about that one. Yeah, that elections is a public officer. Say me na me elections. In there, the people who know Jane Mensah say when Yankopone Juma would have really preferred to listen to her. At least come and say, yeah, the best that you know. But tomorrow, niggas, for the sake of record and people of Ghana. One petition, election petition, and to say other issues. That is why we go into the extent to even go to live teleclasses. Just because as our mind to come together at the end of the day to get that result up to as it is. What can say me say 2013 judges said about about any here. The reason why the judge made that ruling in that 2013 and he said MPP went to court. Say omo abano yentu amabano engu. They shouldn't count their vote. The part of their account and find declare as a president.
Baby, and one more na irregularities no.
I'm telling you.
One more.
2013.
Yeah.
They took 4,325 polling stations. Says sad results, pink sheets, 1.3 million. Because of irregularities, there was sad pink sheet result in Enfremo. The account Ifremo MPP becomes elections. They didn't say add that one. Go and check. They didn't go to court say figures now no. When you calculated 1 + 1 and more was it Ifremo. In fact, they brought say pink sheet and sign it because they didn't sign it. Obi awasala got to abajus Ifremo. That is the argument. So Obi unsigning it. Who asala out to that's what the guy say. Obi asala out to aba. Who see yan sign? Nti yentu na banungu. Name will be president also. In fact, the only polling station in their ruling, in fact, I think any Abuani Doche, who become ruling now, the polling station they asked for rerun. I have 78 polling station of overvoting. If you were voting, no craponu was proven to Baumia in court. And there's a pink sheet to calculate if there's overvoting on it. So if somebody is telling say, election to give somebody results to win elections. That is why the judge made that ruling that time. So if the judge made that ruling and you are comparing today, I can see election figures be frame. But figures now about 4 now and then I say which is switch, Yes, the above 4 no. Because at now, MPP results. The total any 4 in the end correct. Me say
mental question
MPP and correct results.
One more quality.
Okay, total result, I have 4 different results and I have 1.
Said you could tell me 1.
Maybe I 1. So among the 4, no, Italy. If Italy is with 1, do they agree with the 3 now Italy no? How did it happen? To have the person who championed the issue to explain. But you say, oh, one because you prove your issues. But I make us say at any given time we have the electoral commissioner. A returning officer, because people have say and so what? Go and pick on the 12 elections. Azerbaijan was insulted throughout, but he have come to do what law demand from him. So it is not because I have said something against somebody. Just say I people from to stand say on I am saying he said. Today, as we are arguing,
Maddy, what's your judges and seminar Mokana? You have been though petitioner and legal team. I guess one petitioner and legal team, the legal team, so one judges and in your dream. It been the say, petitioner legal team and a petitioner intimate demonstrate enough evidence. Actually say changing as a Jane Mensah, a bit another camp. Say. Many a year Baba Jamakasa were hinted still of proceedings. The government will say Bibi Yede Enko ye. Earlier on, na eye Thursday ruling enu ba beto odwa say Jimensa okoko gina adaka mu a judges na de ba ya wo mo chirechire mu na wo ma file for review and we use so aba beto ho eno nso wo mo guso wo mo ye ho adwuma nti question na amafo ibisa ne say eba ne say ana ebia say the judges yi kan ye man timi improve an chire wo mo court no say ebia dia ekutamu ni because na ya wo mountain so na questions are even though na Dominica Yene honorable was say yanya fair journalist yanya fair to the petitioner, but some of the questions including me I can speak for myself ye bisa wa ha questions the same questions copy wo e Supreme Court wo it me da me permission na mani age na say yes meaning we've been following the issues. What prevented you to demonstrate, proving to the court that this is what we have? An indication that say any cause.
In fact, the judges even wouldn't have accepted your result outside because your figures, any authentic figure for the laws to use it. They know. In fact, the judges know, say, no individual result can be used in law court in election to argue on. They know.
How?
Because the only accepted result to argue on electoral commission result.
It's about the saying that one of the judges said, "Baby, Sassel, more results." A brana general mosquito 18 adwam. Obisa say, "Saying na momo munyai."
That is why I said you feel sad about it. I don't forget. Say Judge Kwabe Bisa say, "Why do you call it? Why do you mention somebody names? Say, oh yeah, what's his returning officer? If a judge asks something, it doesn't mean a judge can right." When the judge say it,
I agree with you.
No,
saying,
judge, you are harassing my client. The judge, once the judge at that table, so I so it's right. So because judge said it, because a human being have his own mind, so it's so we should use it. Into a chance so be back no, but no a judge, no it should be law. Are we using the man who spoke and I said law?
One with the law na Kasau. All the rulings, one more quote 2 laws in India. All the laws were quoted.
But me, a friend said, "Kachusi kataobe kasano."
Yeah.
I suppose say, Sebi, no what kind graphic. Sebi, Wanka law. Sebi. Because we see omo use law.
Mankasa one more dear. When I walk, I say,
that be also just don't use law.
Let me see. When I walk,
let me see Sebi.
Let me see. I am rasam them when you judge. I don't know say judges. Who say
that be home?
As we
say,
yeah, tafrunti. Very careful. We are being careful here because
where I am, I'm talking about it. Okay, I say because what big question no. That question is not law.
Yeah.
That question now, what can I say? Because of Bisa and your law.
Yeah, but they be not Obisa to build up Momo case and
I'm saying, say, and no, that shouldn't be. I know what tell me, baby, I'll be over to Ako. Oh, baby, no, baby, over to Ako.
Okay.
You understand? But then I say, and no, because why Bisa that's the law. And no, because you see, in election issues,
yeah,
in the future, I will bring a result, send me a result in here. Also, like I say, be result in it. At the end of the day, we have even confused a state. We will have it. But we are building this country. And we are talking about elections, sir. There are basic documents that move on with it. Don't forget, say, who can say, no, say, agent or center. But when you say agent doesn't prevent election declaration. Whether the agent is there or not, the result will be declared. Sir. Eh?
It will be whether you sign it or not.
It's so at times some argument you have to be practical with those arguments. But one sign if the returning officer didn't sign, do you know that? If the returning officer make mistake, you have to correct it. That one we should all know. That correction up to date. And say, even the case was not built the way the judges want it to be.
Yeah.
Have the judges accepted self? Any four result Ghana. In the history of Ghana, it will be in your book, say, there were 4 different results. I remember.
But do we have 4 results?
Yes, 4 results. Declared by the Electoral Commission.
Not with now how can the Electoral Commission be declared 4
Result depend on declare first one. Result depend on declare first one.
And the declare no I will buy some from so aba ho no. On the face of document one more declare and the results bang and there was so. And the results bang so and I used to say 4 one more declare on my gazette.
Who call result elections sir?
Yeah.
Now returning officer error any result we say wa frequent we say they don't just come and just say oh man who say we want they go through in fact at the even at the process they go to process again to confirm say ade amu here no it's right. In fact they call on about contest elections no returning officer sit in his own house because me who mistakes be I'm coming to correct what three parties involved because the parties now here. At the time now, when I start corrections, parties, didn't involve the parties. But you see, it is between who benefits and who are raising issues.
Mm-hmm.
But we are talking about tomorrow, the future of Ghana. We are talking about future. And then I mean, one MPP guy, I was studio, another station. Then we decided to say, Matisse said, I'm here to do my NTBI, everyone was a DCE. Who can I go to about also? Now returning officer no board result mensa baku 11 no baku 9 no anyway 8 no there no be dey to o say dey na nka mo mpene me say and no na mo mpene then go back say dey be once I know electoral officer you should use that one because you see results are critical for us and once we have asked say let's get that opportunity to re-examine to even to reopen the case because if the woman na nka buy na ka say that be me nkasa some man say for witness ni bra no no ka say dey bi o me asem kwa ba ma tete ko fa ka kra po no ejo ma ye no me nka bibia not the plain paper abrayen we have known the kind of case I will board but we respond here say make kasa on and that's the issues that we are raising say once you say you are not speak then it gives you the opportunity to reopen the case then in the best say when you reopen the case the judge is saying say we are satisfied who say Obi untimi mfushi Obi on his right. Maybe so right say we say me open case dey be me ma open. Teo, what say untimi mfushi Obi embe kasa because it's the right. Maybe so me right and me say me open case yen point me case o me open say be pene.
But at the end I'm running can fan who say would ye dey asem no close case. Na wasan ya babiem say wo be say.
Do we reopen case and I reopen case in law?
Oh we do.
And I make us me right of
the but a would demonstrate it court on the entire
and the demonstration
will reopen
demonstration they say yes because we are reopening the case because if the woman have been in the box would have gotten certain information and bisano that will build up even the case to end up once you wamba then we are reopening the case because reopen the case to get even the facts that you wanted. So now you have now deprived us our rights to reopen the case. You also deprive us. Who say Obi right and more kasa? Me say me right and me open. Who judge? Who okay so judge no court me boa. And the lawyer say me my client in kasa. Was it the right? And the petition say me lawyer say petition lawyer. Was it me reopen case? Judge now why empire? Was it the me empire who MBO case bio? Because me ma do me there, yes, my way.
I don't know now can they account.
And I be say you haven't convinced me.
Yeah.
If I didn't convince
you haven't convinced the court
to do what?
Yentia will
say. I'm giving my case to see man convince you. So you have concluded my issue for me. Me because I want to convince you. Who say be my own convincing you? Because they are wanted there, my imagine that is how I understand look normal this law issues why are you say they are wanting there why are you that so me ma write in the open case but you see I am only say
okay
we are all doing these electoral issues for 2004 a petition at the end of the day it added some reforms in our elections.
That's correct.
Do you know, sir, with what is going on, we may not have reforms on how if result come to 4 or 3 to change it. You know, do you know? It's going. almost to Asebia to hold. In fact, in the last every election be a Yakobia, it brings some reforms.
Yeah.
2004 elections, 2004, there was a petition for 4 years. At the end of the day, there was reforms. 2013, there was, because most of the issues by argument, it came to fall. Say, argument, reforms. Today, one person didn't speak. In fact, most of the what it added on. In fact, what can I say? It is on this box. And Afrajan can say you win election at the police station.
Election is won at the police station.
Eh? And the box. So we need, if you are building especially on elections, I don't know any small mistake about electoral issues, it destroys the country.
Okay.
It destroys the country. This issue, law, nobody will argue. Law can be used as the way anybody wants it. After Anna's video, who judge what sentence will be at the end of the day, sentence appointing being or so law can be anything. Law can be anything. Anna's video now where he said judges are just bribe, no. Most of them are not in prison. Is it really based on law and as a punching on Moje? There can be mistakes. I don't even say laws now a rule at the Supreme Court. I don't give time in court. If they do them beer, they only to be correct. They do correct themselves. They are human beings. But what they were, I'm saying, they say it could have been at least for the sake of future of our elections to have this woman.
Okay.
No matter what, you think that you may be beside the question. In fact, if you have a fact, nobody can disgrace you. If you really have a fact.
Now, why no one can say the Nimbigu was into no?
No, if I even when the lawyer was, when you were even talking to
Maurice
Apple, okay, I said, Uche said that, Chikata, what Tamamino, or no, you see, these things are coming. So when you ask yourself, say, is it because Mimitan Binti, one can ask him? Minya say utami bi ana masem ye da. Nobody nothing can destroy me.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.